Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the teaching assistant vacancies notifications from the different government colleges, guys. And here you may apply from any state all over the India. Okay. And coming to the remuneration, only PG 50,000 rupees per month. PG plus UGC net as per the UGC pay scale 57,700 per month entry pay. And for the PhD candidates 60,000 rupees per month. Fine. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the respective disciplines. And once after watching this video, please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the government colleges recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so the first university we are going to see here is Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur district from Andhra Pradesh, and this notification released on 31st July 2021. So the direct recruitment of backlog vacancies ST teaching 2021. So applications in the prescribed proforma are invited from the qualified candidates as per the UGC revised regulations 2016 for filling up of the following backlog vacancies of associate and assistant professors in the UGC pay scales in Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur, AP, so as to reach the undersigned in person or else by post evening 5 o'clock on or before 20th August 2021, along with the crossed SBI demand draft of 500 rupees payable in favor of registered Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur, and here the IFSC code is also given here. And if you want to get the more details, you may visit the official website, that is anu.ac.in. And coming to the vacancies here in the arts group as well as the engineering group. In the arts group, under the associate professor category, English department, one vacancy is there for the ST women category. And coming to the assistant professor in arts as well as the engineering group, rural development and the computer science and engineering, one vacancy is there under the ST women category. So these are the positions, guys, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so to get the remaining details that you may watch out. But while coming to the qualifications, for the assistant professor, PG with 55% of marks, along with that one the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there, and the candidates who are having the PhD registered as per the prior to July 11, 2009, those candidates are exempted from the NET or SLET or SET qualification. But anyhow, in these respective departments, okay, in these departments, if you are having the post graduation with 55% of marks, either NET or SLET or SET, then you may apply for this one, guys. Okay, so these are the points mentioned here, and for the associate professor also. Okay, and coming to the next one, from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, walk-in interview for the teaching assistant post. So purely on ad hoc basis for 11 months. So, and this post we got from the SVNIT, that is Sardar Vallabhai National Institute of Technology. Okay, so from this one we got this recruitment notification, guys. So if you want to get the details, you may visit the SVNIT official website, then you will come to know all the details. And the institute is going to conduct walk-in interview offline mode, written test as well as the interview for the post of teaching assistant in Department of Computer Science and Engineering on 10th August 2021. And coming to the remuneration here, the candidates who are having the post-graduation first class, they are going to get the 45,000 rupees per month, and the candidates who are having the PhD, they are going to get 60,000 rupees per month. Fine. So these are the points what they mentioned here. So only post graduation 45,000 and a PhD 60,000. And here the walk-in interview, the registration, document verification, written test, interview, all these things are mentioned here on the 10th August 2021, and the venue is also mentioned, so you may check down, guys. The candidate is requested to remain present with filled application in the prescribed form only, along with the original supporting documents such as degree certificates, semester-wise mark sheets, experience certificates, testimonials, etc., and one set of self-attested copy of the same documents at morning 9:30 a.m. in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering on 10th August 2021. Fine. And the application format you will get in the official website, guys. So you please check once in the official website. Okay. Applications on plain paper or incomplete applications will not be accepted. So that's why I'm telling that applications are available in the official website. You have to fill up that one only. Along with that one, take the original documents and then go to the walk-in interview. Fine. So it is a one notification. And coming to the second notification is from NIT Warangal. Ad hoc faculty positions for the odd semester of academic year 2021 to 22. Immediate recruitment is there. So please hurry up. So it is also for the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And essential qualifications, either PhD or MTech. Anything is fine, guys. Okay, PhD is not mandatory here. But the candidates who are having the PhD, you will be paid 60,000 rupees per month. The candidates who are having the MTech holders, those candidates will get the 50,000 rupees per month. Right? That means for PG candidates 50,000 and for PhD candidates 60,000 rupees per month will be available. And applicants can upload the scanned copy of a filled application form enclosed along with the scanned copies of certificates and other relevant documents through the Google form. So here the Google form link is there on or before 7th August 2021. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you can directly click on this Google form, guys. And the names of the shortlisted candidates will be displayed on the institute website by 9th August 2021. And interview will be on 11th August 2021 through video conference mode or else the Google mode. And the link will be shared with the shortlisted candidates on the previous day of interview via registered email. Okay. So selected candidates has to join immediately, guys. So initially the appointment will be made for one semester and based upon the performance it may be extended to one more semester also. And here the application form is given, so you may check down, guys. Fine. Next. And another vacancy notification from the same NIT Warangal. So this one also ad hoc faculty positions on temporary basis in the Department of Chemical Engineering. So two positions are there. Essential qualification BTech and MTech. That means for this one also the post graduation in the chemical engineering is enough and the PhD is not mandatory. Okay, so you may check down, guys. And the package 60,000 rupees per month for the PhD holders and 50,000 rupees per month for the MTech holders. Okay, and the general information, applicants in the prescribed formats with scanned copies of certificate should reach by email to the head of the department NIT Warangal on or before 8th August 2021 and the email address is also provided. So you may check down, guys. And the name of the shortlisted candidates for interview will be displayed on institute website by 10th August 2021. And the shortlisted candidates are required to attend an interview to be held tentatively on 13th August 2021 through the video conference mode or else the Google Meet. Okay, further details will be selected to the selected candidates are required to join immediately. And the application form is also provided here. So you may check out, guys. Fine. And coming to the next one. So it is Somia Vidya Vihar University, and from this one here the five different types of vacancies are there, so you may check down, guys. One is from art history, another one Jainology Prakrita, and another one is yoga, next one is China studies, next one is also China studies. I mean assistant and associate professor vacancies are there. So if you want to check, I will also provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you want to check regarding this notification, then click on this art history. Then you will be directed to this one. One vacancy is there, but here the first class master's degree and a PhD also required. So whatever the jobs are mentioned here in this university, for all the jobs the PhDs are mandatory. Okay, even though for the assistant professor as well as for the associate professor. Okay, so you please check down and based upon that one try to apply, guys. And if you want to apply for this one, here itself the apply now is there. So click on this one and then start filling up of the details whatever they are asking. Okay, so total these are the different colleges. Okay, so one is Acharya Nagarjuna University and second one is from SVNIT and next one is NIT Warangal. From NIT Warangal the two department vacancies are there, and next one is Somya Vidya Vihar University. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues Okay, and it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So if you're interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Okay, thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.